Hi friends, welcome to Digitech. Today we are here with another video of a Beetel Cordless X90 phone. So this cordless is a black color one with LCD backlight. It has a two-way speaker phone book, alarm, rechargeable. Comes with a rechargeable battery. So this is the back of the box. So we have the attributes of the phone written on it. So this phone has a caller ID identification, phone book, memory, incoming calls, memories, etc. So let's open the box and check what we have inside. Come on. This I purchased in Amazon for $15.99. So it's, I saw the review. It's a pretty good phone for this price range. So we have got a very sleek phone in the box. So the charging station, some paperwork. Make sure you read the paperwork. And the power adapter. It is a 7.5 volt adapter, which comes with 550 amps and a rechargeable battery, which is a AAA battery. So the phone initially should be recharged for around 12 to 13 hours before the initial use. Keep in your mind, guys, these cordless phones do not work when there is no power. So please make sure that this should be a parallel phone or an additional phone compared to your regular landline. So it doesn't work when there is no power. It has a 2.4 gigahertz of the signal. So we have two RJ15 ports, one for the telephone line connector, the other one for the power. You can see the phone, as I mentioned earlier, it's very sleek, it's beautiful, it's more like an old Alcatel mobile. It's really sleek and weightless, so you'll not feel hefty when you carry it around your house. So here we have got the 7.5 volt power adapter. This is from the brand Make. I think these guys supply for Beetel. And the telephone cable. So now let's install the batteries and check, and let's power it up and see how the phone actually looks like, the interface. So make sure when you install the batteries, please check for the polarities, the plus and minus. So you can see the phone is powered on and is searching for the signal. So unless the base station is connected to the power, the phone will keep on searching for the signal. The signal will be lost when the base is not connected to the power. This you can use it with the power where it is connected to your house inverter. So in case of power loss, your phone can still continue to work. You can see it's very nice, it's very compact, the look is amazing. It's a very good phone for this price range of $15.99 in Amazon. I'll just leave the link for you guys in my description. You can very well have a check of this product. If you like it, you can go ahead and buy in Amazon. Now I have connected the phone to the power and this. It also has a two-way communication, that's the paging. Once you click on that page button, wherever your handset is kept, there is a beep that comes out of your handset, so that if you accidentally keep it in your kitchen and forget it, you can easily go ahead and find. So the quality is very good. So here you can see the menu that we have, that is the setup. So the pin code, what is the dial tone you wanted, the area code, so that it can come by default when you dial any number. You can adjust the key tones, the low battery tones, etc. So it has a lot of settings in it. Please make sure to go ahead and check it out. So the maximum volume is 5. It is pretty decent, for using it within the house. So unless your house is too big. As I mentioned earlier, the phone comes with the caller ID. It has a phone book memory of 50 numbers, and incoming calls can be stored up to 40 numbers. It has a polyphonic and also a monophonic tones. So there are about 5 different ringtones that is available. So you can have the control over the volume of the handset ringer. Auto answer and off. It has a handset power on and off, handset keypad lock. So this will come in handy in case when your kids are around, so that they don't fiddle with your phone. So overall, as I told you, it's a very good phone. So you can buy this from Amazon and use it in case you need an additional phone for your home, and when you keep moving within the home from rooms to rooms, so you don't have a proper mobile signal inside your home, this will come in handy. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, share and videos. Thank you.